Hello guys, so in this series we will going to learn tree data structures. We will cover each and every topic from basics to advanced, and in this we will solve all possible questions generated by tree data structures, right? So let's begin with the very first, that is tree traversal. As we know, there are three types of traversal of binary tree. The first is in order traversal, second is post order pre-order, and the third is post order. So in this particular video we will cover the in order traversal, and in this video I am going to show how to implement the in order traversal in both the languages, that is C, that is Java and Python, right? So in this we will cover the recursive implementation in both the languages, right? So let me read the question for you all guys. The question is, determine the in order traversal of the binary tree in Java, right? And we will going to write recursive implementation. Here is our tree, and here is the desired output of this tree, right? So the very first question which comes into our mind, that what exactly is in order traversal, right? What do you mean by in order traversal? So let me answer this quickly. In order traversal is traverse the left node first, then the root data, and then the right node traverse. This is all about the in order traversal. First we traverse the left subtree, then print the root data, then traverse the right subtree, right? Let me comment out this. So this is the basic tree data structure template, right? And this is the function which we have to implement, right? So let me just quickly introduce the basic template. So this is a node class with its public constructor which initialize the values, right? So there is a data which holds the value, and there is a left and right pointer which is going to help us in traversing the tree, right? So and this is the main class along with the function which we have to complete, and the main function which is used to initialize the tree. In this we are inserting the nodes, right, and calling the function in order and passing the root in this. So without wasting any further, so let me just remove this line, as we are going to implement this right now in Java. So what we have to do is first check whether the root is null or not. Let me, if root is equals to null, then simply returns null, right? And if it is not null, then follow this structure. That's all, right? So wait, yes, and in order root dot left, traversing the left subtree, and printing the root dot data, right? And then traversing the right subtree, right? Root dot right. And yes, here we are done with the recursive implementation. And yes, let me comment it for your better readability. And traversing left subtree, traversing right subtree, and printing the value, right? So let me quickly run this. Here we can run. That's why I'm using the online compiler. Oh, return 0, 1 error. Okay. Here we are returning nothing. So now what is the output? Yes, we got it right. Here is the output 4 to let me wait println, not println, and for much readability we can simply write this, and yes, this is our desired output. Okay, so we covered the Java implementation. Now so it's time to jump to the Python, right? So this is the Python interpreter, and the same question is determine the in-order traversal of the binary tree in Python. This is the recursive implementation, right? And this is a complete tree. This is the binary tree. So let me just introduce you about the basic template of tree data structure. So this is template. In this is the main function, and here we are calling the in-order function, which gives the in-order traversal of the tree, and this is the initialization of the tree, and this is the node class along with this constructor. Here the data left and right, and it is the function which we have to complete, right? So let me quickly remove these two lines and write our own code. So till now, as I'm supposed that you all aware from in-order traversal what exactly is in-order traversal. Let me quickly revise for you all that in in-order traversal we first traverse the left subtree, then print the root data, and then traverse the right subtree, right? So the same in this we are going to do. First check whether the root is null or not. Remember one thing, in Python there is nothing like null. Instead of null we are having none, right? So in this is none, and better we just simply check if root is not none, then only if condition true, right? Then if root is not none, that is there is a value instead of none. So we simply traverse the we simply traverse the left subtree, it is root dot left, and then print the data as I mentioned above, data, and in-order traversal root dot right. So this is it for the in-order traversal. Let me quickly run this code. Okay, so we all want in a single line, so for this I have to add one thing, and whose default value is new line, and yes, so this is a okay, and name is not defined. Oh, I forgot to sorry, this is a equal operator, and yes, this is the desired output of this question, right? So in this video we have covered the in-order traversal recursive implementation in both the languages Java and Python. So in next video we will cover the second traversal, that is the pre-order traversal, in both in the similar fashion Java and Python recursive implementation. So if you enjoyed this video, then do not forget to like, comment, share, and also do subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys.